Hello, in this video we'll see how to view a call, the different available functions, and how to use the auto-on feature on the DUOX PLUS Video Guard unit. From the guard unit, we can talk to a dwelling, a video panel, or another guard unit. When we answer a call, we can activate the relays available in the installation, mute or unmute the concierge microphone and the conversation, and divert the call. If we're talking to a panel, we'll have access to the camera feed. From this button, we can switch cameras if there are multiple panels in the installation, and also take screenshots. On the second main view of the guard unit, we can view all the screenshots. From the communication menu, we can activate auto-on, which allows us to view the panel's camera without receiving a call. From here, we can perform all the previously mentioned functions. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you next time!